Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and today, while I was at work, I got notification that something was dropped off on my porch. I couldn't wait, but I had to. So when I got home, I spent time with the family, and then I dove in and opened up what you're about to see. Can you tell why I was so excited? Let me know if you're as excited as I am. I can't wait. So let's flip this camera around and let's see what's in this box. Hey everyone, look what came in the mail today. I better hold it still so you can actually see it. Crystal Canvas Art Designs, a paint by number concept. So beautiful. Amy, you have just outdone yourself with this new box design. Very sturdy, very firm cardboard, and beautiful. And it also has, look at this, her logo. Isn't that amazing? It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I'm not going to show you all of it, but it does have a picture. Whoop, whoop, look at those little eyes sticking through. It does have a picture on the end so you know what you're getting if you are keeping it in the box. This is a 40 by 40 sneak peek. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to buy it. It's $24. I purchased it. Amy sent it out, and I love the fact that she has free shipping. She waits forever for customs, gets these in, has them in her wonderful little homemade warehouse, and then when we order them, they only ship between the United States in our states. So it gets to us very quickly, which is extremely nice for those of us who are crafting diamond painting addicts. All right, so I'm trying to open this. I don't have my trusty knives, my little slicer. So you guys get to watch me suffer and try to slice and talk at the same time. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. What I love about crystal canvas as well is it's 100% crystal. And sometimes she will have black as the 310 to help accent and really have the colors pop. So don't be surprised if you do receive 310 in a solid opaque rather than a crystal. She does have the square trays. One side is for a 2.5, one side's for a 2.8. You get a box of wax, a single placer, and some tweezers, which I am going to save for my tiny house project in January. Okay, are you guys ready to see what I got? You are going to flip out. Look at him. He is precious with his little friends. It's a koala bear. Oh my goodness, he is so adorable, and he's got his friend Al, and he's got a little birdie, and it says be wild. It does have 27 colors. You can see over here, it does do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then A and on. They do skip like B, because B would be a lot like 8, and so on and so forth, which is great. Look how clear this canvas is. Now I have measured before Crystal Canvas Arts, and it is truly a 40 by 40. It is poured glue, which is really nice. Super sticky. Look at this little heart, these details. Amazing. Amy picks out some of the cutest designs. I wonder if Jen helps her out, or how they pick out the designs. Okay, so I'm gonna look at some of these crystals, see what we got here. I'm in love that there's 27. In my intro, you probably saw a Gerber daisy behind me. That is one of her canvas creations as well. Okay, so this number 25, this is probably all the background because there is a ton of this. This is super cute. This is number 1. Number 1 is like the white background. Okay, let's see. The koala himself is S, which is number 20. They are not in numeral order, which is okay. Just looking. Here's number 20. So it's going to be more of a gray than a silver. Charcoal gray. So that's going to be him. You got some of these beautiful aquas and oranges, ambers, reds, just gorgeous colors. Once you get them on here, got some browns. This color is pretty. It's like a yellow, similar to the pineapple color I have from Sparklers. I am so excited. There's this beautiful purple color I absolutely love. Got this Kelly green color. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's move this aside and let's see Mr. Koala again. I need to name him, okay? So I have Bartholomew. Keep wanting to put an L on the end. That's my Ohio accent. Bartholomew, who is my wonderful cow from Treasure Studios Arts. And then now I have this guy. So I need to name him and his friends. He's adorable. I love koalas. So guys, check it out. This is one of her new designs, $24. Well worth it. You know, the time that I'm going to spend on this is going to just, it's going to be breathtaking. Can't wait to show you guys. It's going to go live on her site at the end of this week/weekend. So check it out. There's a bunch of amazing ones that she is coming out for Christmas. I actually had a dream about it last night because I knew this was coming today about her Christmas collection. And I woke up and actually checked her site and I was like, oh man, that was a dream. But she's going to have some Christmas coming out, some that we've seen before, some that we haven't. She has a couple right now that are in stock, a couple that are out of stock that will be back in stock. So definitely, please keep your eyes and ears open. There's some fabulous things coming. You're going to be swooning and drooling. And I am an enabler. I know. So rush over there. Also, check out Creative Craft Addictions. There's a link down below in the description. Facebook group. Let me know what you purchased or what you're drooling over on Amy's site. I can't wait to see what we have in common. So I love you all. I hope you like this unboxing and take care. Be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.